All of you all have been DMing me and telling me that, Pooja, why don't you come live? It's been so long. Why don't you come live? Well, I'll tell you honestly, there have been a couple of reasons why I haven't been coming live. Number one, I have been just too low, not been feeling up to it, been rather depressed. Number two, it's holiday season, so I've just been vegetating at home. I don't feel like doing anything, not even take a bath actually sometimes. So I've been a bit of a pig there. But nonetheless, I've just been vegetating at home. And number three, I don't know. I just don't feel like coming live. You know, I love you guys and I love interacting with you all, but I just didn't feel like it. So there you go. These were the three primary reasons why I haven't been coming live, and you all have been messaging me, telling me to come live. Many of you all have been asking me that what have I been doing since the last live that I did. Like I said, I've just been vegetating at home, but there's some exciting news that I have for you today, which I'll come to in a bit. And other than that, I hope you all had a very merry and fun and joyous and blissful Christmas. And now we are counting down New Year's. So I hope 2022 has a new story to tell, because as far as I'm concerned and my career graph is concerned, 17 years have been like a plateau and I need to totally move forward from it. So here's hoping 2022 has got a lot of cheerful and happy things to offer. All right. So let me see, all of you all are joining in one by one. A lot of people are joining in. Chandrab says Queen. Lots of people are joining in slowly. I think you all have been missing me as much as I miss you all. Lalu Bilu is joining in and all of that. Another thing that I've been busy with since the last time I came live is my merch. Can you see this? My merch. Yes, my merch is finally ready. Imagine, the meme went viral in 2020. That's 2 years back. And the whole world and its forefathers and stepmothers have milked my meme for money by selling my merchandise unofficially without my permission. And finally, after 2 years, here I am ready with my merchandise, which I'm going to show to you all one by one in today's live. And the good news is that Pooja, what is this behavior, has gone viral yet again, but this time on TikTok. So there's this person from UK or Ireland who's been posting about it, and it's all over the place. It's blowing up TikTok right now. But the sad part is that in India, TikTok is not available. TikTok is banned. So I need to find some way of accessing TikTok, because right now it's really huge on TikTok and I'm very happy to know that. But unfortunately, I can't enjoy the fame. I can't enjoy the adulation because we don't get TikTok in India. So like I was telling you, today's live is a lot about my merch, which has taken me a lifetime to get together. As you all know, there have been so many complications. There have been so many opportunists and parasites who've come in the way and tried to mooch off me, like Sambal Rizvi and her, gang of leeches. So finally, when I've got a manufacturer and I've got my merchandise in my hand, I could not be more thrilled, because it's taken me a lot of, topsy-turvy roller coaster rides to get here. So let me begin by showing you some of the merch. Let me start with the t-shirts, okay? So I've got t-shirts in all sizes, from small, medium, large to extra large to double XL too, okay? So my t-shirts will fit everybody. They're unisex for men and for women. So check this out. Isn't this really, really cool? It's like pop art. Stop mooching off me. So I totally relate to this, considering the whole world has been mooching off me as far as merchandise is concerned. So this being the first t-shirt that I display on the live is quite poignant and quite symbolic, metaphoric, really. So here you go. This is the first one that I want to show you all. Then many people like their t-shirts without any illustrations. They're like, oh Pooja, we don't like to wear figurines and illustrations on our t-shirts. We just like cool dialogues. So here you go. For those people, I've got this one for you. You're asking for it. You're dying for it. I know you guys love these lines. So here you go. This t-shirt is for all of you all who love these cool, iconic, epic dialogues. Then the next one, which I have here, has got me with the broom and stop mooching off me. Yet again, you want to see it up close. You can see me with the broom right there in that maxi with the flower. So here you go, corsage. Here you go. Here is the t-shirt. Then another one. This is one of my favorites, okay, because this line is also quite popular. People love saying it when they, you know, trouble somebody, bug somebody. They like to say, I kicked it by mistake. So can you see a ballerina? Can you see Pooja Mishra as a ballerina? So that's me as a ballerina with kicked it by mistake, alright? And then this one is also one of my favorites. It's me on a surfboard surfing. I love this illustration. It's been done by R.J. Raman from UK. So I need to give him credit for his amazing work. The design, that is. So can you see? You don't tell me what to do. And me on a surfboard surfing. Isn't this really, really cool? I love this one. It's really cool. So yeah, there you go. Another one. And then my Amazon bestseller book. You know, yes, you can be a viral reality show star. I have a t-shirt with the book cover on it. So all the people who have loved the book and are swearing by it can pick up this t-shirt. I have it not only on t-shirts, I have it on coffee mugs, I have it on masks, I have it on mouse pads. So I've got the book all over too. So those were the t-shirts. Now tell me, how did you like it? Then I will show you the other stuff, okay? I think a lot of people have joined in by now. Let me quickly read all your comments. You look nice. I love you, Pooja, says Lalu Billu. Chandrab says you're the best. Somebody says, Pooja, you look marvelous. Somebody says, oh my God, the merch. Pooja, I want to tattoo the merch on my thigh. Dillon May1 has joined me from Canada. Shanur is here. Angry Bird Papi says slay. Yes Queen says Liam. Shanur says Busipai, who says nice merch instead. Sambal can kiss the Queen's ass, you bet. Okay. Rolling Stone plagiarism, says Busipai 3. I hope you double XL for fat folks like us. Of course I've got double XL for people who are generously endowed. I don't like to call you fat. I like to call you generously endowed. So I've got double XL for you guys too. So I've got all the sizes covered. Liam says, I need a handsome boyfriend. Okay, a lot of people are sending in a lot of messages. Love the tea, I'm buying it, says Danish Omkar. Arnab says, please talk about your latest dance reel. Okay, so a lot of good comments about the merch and the designs. I'm so glad you guys are loving it. As you all know, it's taken me a lifetime to get here with the merch. So now that it's finally here, fresh off the oven, I'm so happy to be sharing all the designs and all of it with you one by one. Now that we are done with the t-shirts, let's move on to the coffee mugs. So these coffee mugs come in this packet which says open with a smile. Can you see that? Open with a smile. Okay, be happy. I love coffee. And then you open it, and then there's a covering, and then after that it's get off my back, with this complete colorful pop art here, as you can see. So yeah, there you go. This is the first mug that I'd like to show you guys. I love the colors. Look at the pop of colors. Yellow, red, white, black. It looks amazing. And there are 3 of them, you know. So it's like a 360 degrees mug. Very interesting. So that's the coffee mug. Okay, by the way, I've already sold a t-shirt. I just put a sneak preview of the t-shirt on my Instagram stories. I already sold one to Shantanu Jain from Delhi, who became my first customer. So to you, Shantanu, thank you for shopping with me. Your t-shirt has been dispatched to you 2 days back. So I hope you get it for 31st and wear it and flaunt it and have a lot of fun with it. Okay, now let me show you the other mug. This one's really cool. I love this design. Just check it out. That's me on the laptop. That's me vegetating and not coming live, guys. That's what I do. Sitting on the laptop with my mug of coffee, vegetating when I'm not coming live. And it says, you don't tell me what to do. Right? That's me when I'm not live, vegetating in front of the laptop with a mug of coffee. So this one's a really cool design too. So yeah, I like this. I love the coral background. The background color is coral. I love the color. Then another one of my favorite design, just for the color, okay? The color is really cool. Just check this color out. It's these shades of purple and mauve and lilac. Can you see? Shades of purple and mauve and lilac. They're amazing. And it's got, you're asking for it, you're dying for it written on it. Can you read it? You're asking for it, you're dying for it. That's written all over the mug. Can you see? Wow. Quite nice, isn't it? Very soothing, very pleasant to the eye. So when you get up in the morning, all cranky and groggy, and you look at this coffee mug in these beautiful shades of purple, lilac, and mauve, you feel nice and relaxed. So that's the whole purpose of having this color palette for this coffee mug. And last but not the least, my biggest triumph with my Amazon bestseller book. Yes, you can be a viral reality show star. So that's the cover of the book on the mug. You know, for the people who are reading the book late at night and can't keep their eyes open, they can pour their coffee in this mug while reading the book. So yeah, these are the coffee mugs. There are many more designs, okay guys? There are many more designs, even in the t-shirts. Even in the mugs, there are many more designs, but these are some of them which I'm just showing you guys as a sneak peek, as a small preview, okay? So that's that. So yeah, now let me quickly, Ariba is here, she says hi. Ariba used to be my intern from Lucknow. She's my friend Imtiaz's niece and she wanted to learn from me, so she became my intern. So I'm so happy to have her here. Then Chandrab says, somebody said you don't have any manufacturer. Yes, I know. Sambal was spreading these rumors that I don't have any manufacturers. At that time, I was in the process of finding a manufacturer. So I was looking left, right, and center for a manufacturer, shortlisting some of them, but I hadn't confirmed or zeroed down on any. So she probably was in touch with me during that phase. So she jumped to her own manipulative conclusion that I don't have a manufacturer. Well, if I didn't have one, how did I get all this merchandise? So it's just that she came somewhere in the middle, popped in the middle and started jumping to conclusions and spreading cock and bull, concocted stories. So there you go. That's her bullshit. Boosie Pie says, did you kill a zebra for that jacket? No, I didn't kill a zebra for this jacket. It's woolen. It's just a design. It's a woolen hoodie. It's a woolen hoodie which my mother made me put on today because we went to the salon and it is kind of cold in Pune. So she said, put on your zebra hoodie. So I said, okay, I'm wearing red tracks. I'm wearing my merch and it's black, white and red. And then I'm going to throw on a black and white zebra hoodie because it just sort of, works. So yeah, there you go. Loving these merch. Can't wait to order, says Prajwal. Liam says, why don't you manufacture a dustbin? It would be really fitting if you do so. Yes, and why only a dustbin? Even a broom? Because you're asking for it. You're dying for it. Get off my back. Got it? Even a broom, not only a dustbin. I'm actually looking to collaborate with there you go, my broom fell down. I'm actually looking to collaborate with a brand for that. So if you know of any good brands of dustbins and broom who I can collaborate with, affiliate with, please DM me their links, their Instagram handles, their numbers, their contact details. So maybe I can move forward in that direction. Call Me Chin says, I love it, Pooja. So glad you like. Somebody says, I love the cups. They're so pretty. Prajwal Karki says, Queen of Vegetating. You bet. I've just been vegetating, guys. Come on. I've been vegetating from the past month or two now. So I feel awful about it. I've been going to the gym. I went to the gym yesterday. Today I didn't go to the gym because I went to the salon and I came back late. Then I was recording some cameos, so I didn't have the time. And now it's holidays, so till 1st of January, no gym. So yeah, and I put on a bit of weight if you were seeing, but that's okay. It's holiday season. Everybody's eating amazing food. Oh, by the way, my mother has been cooking some good food lately. So, she made pav bhaji in the morning yesterday. Then she cooked some amazing pasta for dinner yesterday. And today she has cooked her speciality, her best seller. That is this chicken, noodle and sweet corn soup, which she makes, which is nothing short of ambrosia. And she's made some noodles, like a chow mein kind of a thing. Hakka noodles meets chow mein. That's her speciality. That's her customized noodles. So I'm very excited about today's dinner. So she's been giving us all our favorite food considering it's holidays, and I've been letting myself go because, it's the year end and what the hell, we've dieted throughout the year, we've been on a diet. So might as well just chill out and go with the flow. So that's what I've been doing. But come January, I'm going to hit back, with my workout, with my sweat out sessions at the gym. So wish me luck. With this whole Omicron scare, there are a lot of restrictions, guys. In Bombay, there's a night curfew from 9 o'clock at night till 7 in the morning. In Delhi, it's from 9 at night till 5 in the morning. All the cinema theaters in Delhi are shut. And in Bombay, for New Year's, no terrace parties and parties only with 4 people loud. So, the whole Omicron is raging in the US and in the UK, but in India, we are just taking precautionary measures and starting all the restrictions and partial lockdowns, because we are really wary that it will soon trickle into India at the same speed that it's raging up in the West. So I guess that's why, yeah. So New Year's is just at home for me. I was supposed to be going to Bombay and going for dinner to my most favorite club, which I've been a member of since childhood, Willingdon. But no going to Mumbai now because of the Omicron scare and all the curfews and all of that. Call Me Chin says, please provide us a link where to buy your merch from. You can just DM me. Just DM me and you can access the merch from there. Just DM me. I'll show you the designs. You can choose the ones you like and then you can purchase it. Rishank says, bicolor, lilac. Sonakshi texted me on wanting this merch. Really? Does she want it? She can probably connect with me then. As long as she buys in bulk, all of it, considering she owes me my life. I have the book. Oh my God, Danesh Omkar. You like the book? Please tell me how did you like it. Please post a picture with the book in your stories and tag me. Write a small review with your picture with the book. Do all of that. I'd love it. That would really, really work well for me. Malushkara is here. She says, hi Pooja. You've got clear skin, Queen. Thank you. I've not even been taking care of it. I read half of the book. It's nice, says Dweep Roy. So glad. I want to hit sambal on her head with your mugs, Pooja. You bet, she deserves that. Where can I buy them, Pooja? Please DM me. All the people who are interested in buying the merch, please DM me and I will show you all the designs and then you can choose from that and purchase it. It's as simple as that. Just DM me. Arnab says, please talk about the dance reel. It was amazing. Okay, fine. I'm going to talk about the dance reels. So, I've made all these dance reels which were there in my previous account, Pooja Mishra Production. And as you know, it's been very unceremoniously pulled down. So that's why I found some of them, and I'm posting them on my new handle, Pooja Mishra 2018. And I'm so happy that you guys, are loving the dance reels and you love it. I know you all want me to dance. It makes you happy to see me happy, and I love you guys for that. And I hope to make more dance reels soon. When I'm feeling better, when I'm out of this low phase of vegetating and not feel like doing anything. So please wish me luck that I come back with a bang with many more dance reels. For now, I have a collection of a few of them, which I'll keep posting every now and then. What are you manifesting in 2022? Well, I'm manifesting positivity. I'm manifesting a new story. I'm manifesting a nice boyfriend who would take care of me, because I think I need a man in my life. And just a companion more than anything else. That's the need of the hour. I'm manifesting the release of all my projects, the remaining 3 books, my music video, Hotter Than You, my short film, A Book Can Change Your Life, and re-release of Abhi To Party Shuru Hui Hai, in which I've spent lakhs and lakhs and lakhs of my hard-earned savings, So I'm hoping to release all my projects, and then like I said, once all my projects are released, I just want to fly away somewhere, far away from here where nobody can find me and live my happy life in my, oblivion, in my no man's land. So yeah, that's the plan. Pooja, you're a global entrepreneur. Thank you, Malushkara. What haircut is this? This is a normal lob, a lob. A longer bob is called a lob. So this is a lob. But today I got some bangs cut, because my hair had very rough, dry, split ends. So I got some bangs cut in the lob. So it's a completely new and transformed haircut. Looking cutest, Pooja, says Ayaz Utkarsh. Pooja, do you listen to Jessie Nelson? No, I don't. Dweep Roy 14.3 says, I want a crop top t-shirt of your merch. You can chop it off. You can chop it off. You take a small size and you chop it off. That's it. You just slice it off and it's a crop top. Loved your book, says Mans Jin. Well, why don't you, post a picture with the book, post a review with the book. I want your picture with the book that you're reading it, or if you've taken an ebook with your tablet or your phone with the book's pages in it. Do stuff like that. That'll really make me believe that you're reading the book and you're loving it. Just saying it won't do. Prove it. Nora has copied your hairstyle. Okay, guys, so I, in 2015, wanted to make a song called Hotter Than You, a music video. And I purchased this wig from United States of America. I got it shipped down. I paid a whole huge amount of import duty on it. And it's been lying with me since 2015. So in 2021, I decided to don that wig for a walk in the garden, as well as some pictures, and a bikini session I did in that wig. So the next thing I know, everybody is wearing the same wig. Rakhi Sawant is wearing it on Bigg Boss. Nora Fatehi is wearing it in her latest music video. I'm like, guys, I am a trendsetter. I know it. But you all don't have to literally crawl up my asshole and, observe every small thing that I do and shamelessly just ape it without giving any credits. That's what you call lifting content. You cannot do that anymore because you'll be publicly humiliated if you're not going to take the name of the trendsetter, of the original person from whom you've aped it, okay? Because enough is enough. It's been 17 years of plagiarism. Somebody needs to scream out loud and make a noise about it so that this vicious cycle ends for once and for all. What is this hot behavior, says Tanzeel. Come live every day, says Rishank. I've been vegetating. I don't feel like coming live, I don't feel like doing anything. I've been low. Pooja, where is your manager? I don't have any manager. Okay, another thing. There's some crazy woman called Rashmi. She was messaging all my followers saying that she's my manager. I don't have any manager, guys. I'm taking care of my career and my life all by myself. I don't have any managers, okay? So just to clear the stand that if anybody messages you saying that they're my manager or they're my representative, please block them and report their account immediately because I don't have any representative. I don't have any manager. I'm taking care of everything on my own. Okay guys, now I'm going to the way dance super slow is sitting back and observing. Yeah, many people just sit and observe and ape shamelessly, and I hate that. Either participate, involve yourself in the conversation or get out of the room. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you some other stuff from my merch. Okay. So next up are these cute little masks. masks. Okay, they're really cute. I love them. So I'm going to open this one. See this? Stop mooching off me. See this? How cute is this? And they're big enough to cover your face, your nose. They're big and they're nice. What do you say? Quite nice, aren't they? So these are the masks. I was getting them made in white satin because I love that material. Satin is very soft and gentle on the skin. But then I thought that it doesn't make sense, you know. Satin, the masks were a little smaller and they were sliding off. This is pure cotton. So it stays intact. And even when you sweat, you know, it's not going to have any kind of irritating effect on your skin. So that's why. Here's another one, the same vegetating one. You don't tell me what to do, me with my laptop and my coffee mug. See? Nice there. They cover the face properly. So when you're wearing these masks, you're dead sure that you're safe from the virus. And another really cool pop art one. Stop mooching off me. See? Covers the face nicely. Not too big, doesn't cover the eye, but big enough to cover the lower part of the face properly. So these are the masks in the merch. What do you think of the mask? Did you guys like it? Omicron is truly a rags West Coast. Yes, I literally use get off my back all the time. How much did it take for your merch to be ready? Well, it took a while to get the merch ready. As you guys know, there were a lot of complications. There were a lot of people coming in the middle and trying to stop the progress of the merch getting ready and manufactured. Stealing designs, calling it their own. What kind of drama? Bullshit. Complete bullshit, you know. All lies, made up stories, cock and bull stories. Yes, we love it. I love the book. I have it too. Says Shake It Vic. Why don't you post a picture with the book and a small review of what you felt about it? Which was your favorite chapter? What was your takeaway from the book? Gay Rants 2020 says, Pooja, I missed you. Aizutkarsh says, not me getting a shout out. You just got it. I can't wait to become a viral reality show superstar. Your book is such a useful guide, isn't it? You be a part of my forthcoming reality show, Spare Me the Crab Mentality. The gates are open and I'm inviting everybody. I'm going to start my webinars from January 2022. I'm planning to. So the moment you join my webinar, and train under me, join my online course, you automatically get a place on my forthcoming reality show, Spare Me the Crab Mentality, which has already won awards. So there you go. I'm giving people a break. Pooja, make a dance reel on Hotter Than You. That's a great idea. I will. Sambal was begging for the merch. She wants you to ship it to Pakistan so she can blackmail you for smuggling. Ha ha ha. She's a psycho, crazy woman who does crazy black magic and makes cock and bull concocted stories just so that she gets noticed. For her 15 seconds of fame, she will stoop to any low level, That's all I can say about her. Merch was made at home or in factory? It was made in factory, my dear. Pooja, you're glowing. Thank you, darling. Thank you. I don't have a speck of makeup on my face. I don't have a speck of makeup on my face, by the way. Three more books. Oh my God. Yes, there are 3 more books coming up next year, guys. I hope to release all 3 of them next year. So please wish me luck. Pooja, I love you. Please say hi, Samara. Hi, Samara. Okay, guys. Lot of comments coming in. Okay, guys, now I'm going to, your hair looks so thick and healthy. Thank you, guys. But it's been still falling, hair's still falling. It's not stopped falling. Cardi B also wore the same wig after you. What can I say? I'm a trendsetter. I'm a trailblazer. Okay, guys, now I'm going to show Pooja, long time babe, says Rim Khan. Okay, a lot of you all are sending me messages. Now I'm going to show you the next part of my merch. Ouch, I've been resting on my knees. My knees are hurting. Ow. Okay, now let me show you some more of my merch. Here are some really cool mouse pad. Okay, by the way, I've had a very loyal follower who's now a friend, Akash, buy my mouse pad and a t-shirt. So here are some of the mouse pads which are really cool. As you can see the designs, really cool ones which you can put. See, my favorite ballerina one, I kicked it by mistake, which you can use with your PC as well as with your laptop, really. Very cool mouse pads. I'm going to literally show you all the designs. Look at the colors. Isn't it amazing? I love this one. This is also there in the coffee mug. Very cool. Very Patricia Field. This is also nice. This is the mug I showed you. The mauves, the purples and the lilacs. This is also there in the mug. A nice, bright, chirpy, sunshiny yellow. And this is there. Then this zebra print like my hoodie today. Get off my back. Then this. All these designs are available in the coffee mug too, guys, okay? another canary yellow. And the one with my book. Yes, you can be a viral reality show star. So there you go, guys. That's all my merch, which I've just got fresh off the factory. And it's not been made in Bangladesh. It's been made very much in Pune by qualified people who make this all the time. They have years of experience, all adults. So I hope you liked it. And for all the people who want to order it, please DM me, and I shall revert back to you with the various designs, and then you can choose the one you like and you can order. I am providing it in India as well as overseas, but you'll have to pay the extra shipping. So it's the cost of the merch plus the shipping. Okay, guys? So that's that. Now I'm going to wrap up today's live, because I've been standing here showing you guys so much of stuff and chatting you 19 to the dozen. I'm going to quickly once go through your messages, and then I'm going to wrap it up for today. I hope to come live more often, maybe on 31st on year-end day, and we can kind of recount all that we did throughout 2021. Yes, these are samples. The actual ones are packed and properly kept for you guys. These are all samples just to show you all. Okay, I have something more which I forgot to tell you guys about. Buttons. I've got these really cool buttons which you can put on your t-shirt, you can put on your bags, you can put on various things. Look at these really cool buttons. Right? Look at this. So cool. It comes with a pin. You can put it on your t-shirt, you can put it on your hoodie, you can put it on your track pant, you can put it on your bag. Really cool. So many designs. So many designs. Can you see? So many of them. So I've got these buttons too. So there you go, guys. I hope you love the merch as much as it's taken me to come to the point of having it in my own hands in a tangible form. I had the design for years, but I could not actually get it on and get it on the actual merch and have it in my hands. But today when I do, I feel grateful, I feel happy, and I'm so thrilled to share all of this with you. So don't hesitate to place your order directly from the original merchandise store, which is mine and mine alone. Everything else is unofficial and illegal. So take care. Lots of love to you all. I hope that I get a whole load of DM from you guys for the merch, and I hope you are loving my book. Do post pictures with the book and tag me. If you've taken an ebook, post a picture with your phone with the ebook page on it, the cover on it maybe. And let's do this. Let's stay connected. I hope to come live more often. See you on 31st December.